Hey friends, if you encounter the part too long error while extracting a zip file, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for 7-zip in the search bar and hit 7-zip. Go to the downloads folder and then you can download the x64 version. Click on open, okay, and click on install and install the zip file. Click on close. Once it is installed, you can go to the zip file, okay, right click on it, select this option 7-zip and select extract here. Okay, this will open extract the file. Okay, and you can also do it 7-zip extract files. Choose another location if you want it at another location and click on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.